Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install and configure Hyper-V on Windows Server. So for installation or for setting up Hyper-V, first we have to add Hyper-V manager role to our Windows Server. So for adding roles, you have to go to manage, add roles and features. Let me explore this. You have to hit next. Select role based or feature based installation. Hit next. Select the server. Hit next. I have already installed Hyper-V on my server. So you have to select this role Hyper-V. Hit next. So as you know, I have already installed Hyper-V Manager on my server, so it's not giving me the next option. After proceeding, you will get the option of setting up your Hyper-V drive and storage drive so that you can set up Hyper-V on the specific place on your server. So let's move to the main topic, setting up Hyper-V, and go to Hyper-V Manager. Open. Okay. I have set up multiple Hyper-V on my server. So for you, I will set up a new virtual machine on my server. Let me select, go to new and select virtual machine. Let's make a name for this virtual machine. Test VM. By default, my virtual machines configured or saving at this location. Right, you can change the location of your virtual machine. Configuration logs. Okay. Here we have an option to choose either generation 1 or generation 2. So I will select generation 1 because generation 1 virtual machine supports 32 and 64-bit guest operating system and provide virtual hardware which has been available in all previous versions of Hyper-V. Okay, here we have to select a startup memory. So I will try to select startup memory as much as I can. So let's multiply 1024 8. I want to select 8 GB, and the correct calculation of the memory will always be 1024. So I need 8 GB of startup memory, so I will select 8192 and I will add here. Hit next. Now we have to select a virtual adapter. Each new virtual machine includes a network adapter. You can configure the network adapter to use a virtual switch. Hit next. Now here is the name of my virtual machine. Here is the location and here is the size. So as it's a test machine, I have set up for you. I will set up a size of 50 GB. Hit next. Okay, now this is the option of installation of an operating system. So select this option. select the option of image file where you have placed your ISO files. So you have to download the required Windows version which you need to install. So I will show you the installation of Windows Server 2019 here. Let me select Windows Server 2019 ISO file. Hit next. Hit finish. Okay. I've created this test VM here and it's currently off. We have to install operating system on it. Let me open this virtual machine first and hit on start. Yeah, it started. It started the installation of an operating system. So language install is fine, time currency format is fine, keyboard is fine. Hit next. Hit install now. Okay. My ISO file contains Windows Server Standard Evaluation, Windows Server 2019 Standard Evaluation Desktop Experience, Windows Server 2019 Data Center Evaluation, and all this operating system are 64-bit. So let's select Windows Server 2019 Standard Evaluation Desktop Experience, right? I'm selecting here desktop experience because I need graphical user interface. The above Windows Server 2019 Standard Evaluation will not have graphic user interface. That's why I'm selecting this one. Hit next. I accept the license terms. Next. Let's go to custom install so that we can see the drive and we can format and create the drives here. So I need only one drive in my test server. I will create only one drive of 15 GB. Apply. Okay. It will take few seconds. Okay. The drive is created with 49.5 GB. It will be better to format the drive before installation as it's a fresh installation. It's formatted. Hit next. Okay. I'm going to pause video until this installation gets complete. Okay. Now my Windows Server installation gets complete and it's restarting. Hit restart now. Don't press any key here after restart. Okay, that's good. Is asking me to set up an administrator password. Let set up a password. Finish. Now it's finalizing my settings. I have to press Ctrl, Alt and Delete for a login. Let me input the password. Which I have created, and it's Windows Server 2019. Here you can see my virtual machine is running. CPU usage 3% and assigned memory and uptime is 2 minutes. Thanks for watching.